Have you tried the Cortado? This is a milk-based coffee containing espresso with well-steamed milk. If you like your coffee with less milk, the Cortado is a perfect choice for you. It's a double shot of espresso with well-steamed milk. In this video, I would like to share with you our recipe of making a Cortado in our coffee shop. We're going to start with our standard glass for making a Cortado, which is a 4.5 ounce glass. So we're going to extract our espresso. We're going to use a restrictor shot. We're going to use a ratio of 1:1 ratio. We're going to grind 20 grams of grinded coffee beans and we extract 20 ml of espresso out. This is the perfect shot for making our Cortado because it gives an even balance between our milk and our shot of espresso. Then we're going to steam our milk. We're going to create that silky texture similar to that of a latte with less foam, but remember not to burn your milk. So a 60 to 70 degree temperature is a perfect one when we are steaming our milk. Then when we are pouring our latte art, since it's a small sized cup, we're going to need to have a control movement when you're mixing to create the base of your latte art. This will help you pour a perfect tulip latte art. As you can see, this is a basic tulip latte art. This is because we mixed well our milk into our espresso, creating that perfect base. Try it and let me know what you think about it.